Hi students, good morning to all. Have a nice day. Today we are going to see about fundamental units. In fundamental unit there are many subdivisions: length, light year, pressure and so on. We are going to see about length. Definition of length. The length is a distance between 2 points. The formation of a length is always thickness, height, depth and breadth. The SI unit of length is meter. 1 meter is the distance travelled by the length through the vacuum in 1 by 29, 97, 92, 458 seconds. The unit of length is always common in long distance kilometer, short distance centimeter and millimeter. In order to measure a very large distance, we use the following units: astronomical unit, light year, parsec. First, we are going to see about astronomical unit. Astronomical unit. It is the mean distance of a center of a sun from the center of the earth. 1 AU is equal to 1.496 into 10 power 11 meters. The astronomical unit is always a distance between a sun and the earth. It's denoted by AU. Light year. It is the distance travelled by the light in 1 year in vacuum, and it is equal to 9.46 into 10 power 15 meter. Next, parsec. Parsec is the unit of the distance used to measure the astronomical objects outside the solar system. 1 parsec is equal to 3.26 light years. In the fundamental units, there are two types of unit: larger unit and a smaller unit. This is the table of the larger unit. Read it and study it well. This is a smaller unit table. Read it and study it well. Next, we are going to see an important fundamental unit. That's mass. Mass is the quantity of a matter conducted in a body. The SI unit of a mass is a kilogram. 1 kilogram is the mass of a particular international prototype cylinder made up of platinum iridium alloy kept at the International Bureau of Weight and measured as served. France. The unit gram and the milligram are the sub-multiples of 10, 1 by 10 of the unit gram. Or a somewhat metric units. 1 milligram is equal to 0.1 gram. 1 centigram is equal to 0.01 gram. 1 decigram is equal to 0.1 gram. 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kilogram. 1 kilogram is equal to 1 by 1000 metric ton. 1 metric ton is equal to 1000 kilogram. Next, we are going to see about atomic mass unit. Mass of a proton, neutron and electron can be determined using atomic mass unit, AMU. 1 AMU is equal to 1 by 12th of the mass of the C power 12 atom. Time. Time is a measure of a duration of events and the interval between them. The SI unit of the time is seconds. 1 second is the time required for the light to propagate 29, 97, 92, 458 meters through vacuum. The large units for measuring the time are day, month, year and a millennium, etc. 1 millennium is equal to 3.16 into 10 power 9 seconds. Temperature. Temperature is a measure of hotness or the coolness of a body. SI unit of a temperature is Kelvin, denoted by K. 1 Kelvin is a fraction 1 by 273.16 of a thermometric temperature of a triple point of water. 0 Kelvin is commonly known as the absolute zero. The other units of measuring temperature are degree Celsius and Fahrenheit. Unit prefix. Unit prefix are the symbols placed before the symbols of a unit to specify the orders of a magnitude of the quantity. They are useful to express very large and very small quantities. K, kilo, is the unit prefix in the unit. Kilometer. A unit prefix stands for the specific positive or the negative power of 10. Some unit prefix are given in the table. Read it carefully. Rules and the conversation for writing the SI units and their symbols. The very important units is the unit named after the significant or not written with the capital initial. No full stop or the other punctuation mark should be used within or at the end of the symbols. Number and the unit should be separated by the space. The numerical value of the physical quantity should be written in a scientific form. And so there are many rules and conversation. Read it and study it well. Next, measuring mass. We commonly use the term weight, which is actually the mass. The many things are measured in the terms of mass in the commercial world. The SI unit of a mass in a kilogram. In any case, the units are based on the item purchased. How do we measure the mass? The different measuring devices have to be used for the item for the large and the smaller masses. Common balance. These types of device is used in the market. The beam balance compares the sample mass with the standard reference mass or 5g to 5 kg. Physical balance. This balance is used in the labs and is similar to the beam balance, but it is not more sensitive and can measure the mass of the object correct to the milligram. Digital balance. Nowadays, for accurate measurement, the digital balance are used, which measure the mass accurately even up to a few milligram, or the least value being 10 milligram. This electric device is easy to handle and commonly used in jewelry shop and labs. Spring balance. This balance helps to find the weight of an object. It consists of a spring fixed at the one end and a hook attached to the rod at the another end. It works by the Hooke's law, which states that the addition of a weight products or proportional increases in the length of a string. Mass versus weight. What is the difference between mass and the weight? There are many more kgs difference between the mass and the weight. Mass and the weight are differentiated by their place. Mass are 10 kg in the Earth, Moon and space, but weight scale is different. And the weight also different in Earth, Moon and space. That's the place differs the weight and the mass. Mass, weight. It is a fundamental unit. It is a derived unit. Read the table and study it well. Accuracy. How closely a measurement matches a true or actual value. To be accurate, only requires the true value and one measurement. One arrow to hit the target. Do the activity in your home. Try to answer the following questions. Read it carefully and try to answer it. Thank you, students.